You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.